Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Someone to Watch Over Me by the Gershwins. I'm going to play it and sing it and then show you what I'm doing. There's a saying, says that love is blind. Still we're often told, seek and you shall find. So I'm going to seek a certain girl I've had in mind. Looking everywhere, haven't found her yet. She's the big affair I cannot forget. Only girl I've ever think of with regret. I'd like to add her initial to my monogram. Tell me, where is the shepherdess for this lost lamb? There's a somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that she turns out to be someone who watch over me. I'm a little lamb who's lost in the woods. I know I could always be good to one who watch over me. Although I may not be the man some girls think of as handsome, to her heart I'll carry the key. Won't you tell her please to put on some speed, follow my lead. Oh, how I need someone to watch over me. There's a somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that she turns out to be someone who watch over me. I'm a little lamb who's lost in the wood. I know I could always be good to one who watch over me. Although I may not be the man some girls think of as handsome, to her heart I'll carry the key. Won't you tell her please to follow my lead, follow my lead. Oh, how I need someone to watch over me. All right, there we go. Now we take off all my junk here. Thank you, Jonah, for doing cameras for me, even though I made you do it. Thank you, son. Okay, so there's the little performance, or I actually did the whole thing. Has some few mistakes in there, but I'm happy with what I did. This is Sting's version, okay? So look it up on YouTube or Apple Music, how you listen to music. Sting did a version of this very tasteful, very neat piano. We're about to learn it here. I'm going to show you some chords here. But what I love about this is that the chords are not hard to play. There's like usually 3 notes in the right, 1 in the left. That's because keep the accompaniment light. That keeps it a classy style. You play too many notes, even though it's the right chord, it gets too heavy. Also, there's time in between the chords. There's always lots of time to stretch out notes. That gives you time to figure out what the next chord is. Okay, so great for 2 reasons. So let's get to the board. Okay, so this is the part 1 lesson that I do. The sheet that I look at is actually way bigger than this. You can download it as a member. This is what we do for the part 1 here. And I do have the words written in there a little bit. It helped me to know what to sing, the lyrics. But we're going to start with a B flat on the left hand. And then we're immediately going to go to A flat, E flat, F on the right. I'm going to use 1, 2, let's see, 1, 4, 5. And then a 2 finger on the C. So it's da, 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 da. All right, so when I have a curved line, that means the notes are going to be either 8th notes, usually. When it has a second curved line, that tells me it's a 16th. It's kind of a rhythmic thing. It's not exact science, but it helps me do rhythms. Helps you guys a little bit too, I think. C sharp and B flat on the right hand there. I'm going to use 2 and 5, so I can go 1 on the D. Bum, bum. So ba 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 dum. B flat up there. So a little blues there. There. Bum, bum. Then a high octave B flat like that, okay? Just the intro. Da, 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 da. All right, then we start. There's a saying, says that love is blind. All right, so let's look at these chords here. This is really cool because we're in the key of E flat, but a lot of times these old songs, which are really great songs, will use a substitution. Instead of a E flat chord, they'll do the 6th chord, which is a minor chord, C, E flat, G, ba, 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 in first inversion. So it kind of serves the purpose of the E flat chord, but gives you a nice kind of open jazz feel. Da, 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 da. And right here we go to a G minor, G, B flat, D. See how sparse it is? Just 3 notes total, but that gives us what we want, the texture that we want. There's a saying, says that loves. This is cool. That's a E flat 9 with a C in there as well. All right, so you can think of it as an A flat 9, and then just think of the C on top. That works for you. D flat F C with 1, 2, 5. Okay, isn't that pretty? All by itself. So there's a saying, says that love is blind. Then the last chord we have here on this first measure, G, D flat, F. I'll use 1, 3, 5. Left hand goes down to a low E flat. Then an E flat at the end. Bum, bum, bum. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. All right, so same thing as we continue there, as we'll do in the part 2 on the website. But these are all quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, dun, dun. So even though they're all quarter notes, you don't want to play it straight metronome. You're going to go dun, 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 da, da, ba, 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 ba. You don't want to do that. It's da, 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 2, ba, da, 3, 4, just when you get to it, okay? So you don't want to rush it. And in fact, you don't want to be on time. You want to be a little late, a little laggy on this, because that's how the style of the music is. It's really fun to play it that way once you get that feel going. And this is a great one to do it on if you haven't ever played this kind of music. Bum, 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 bum. So the next one we'll look at a little bit more. How about that? E flat, G, C. Left hand on A flat, that's an A flat 7. Ba, 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 bum. Then we're going to go to B flat, E flat, G. Can't really see it there, but I'm telling you what it is. Na, na, na. Then you have this chord. A natural, E flat, F, D on the right. Okay? So from the beginning. Da, 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 da. There's a saying, says that love is blind. Still, na, na, na. Da, 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 da. See, I don't ever remember words if I don't have them in front of me. Well, guys, there we go with our part 1 on this. Hope you enjoyed the performance at the beginning. It wasn't perfect, so I hope that helps you do some things. Play, perform. It doesn't have to be perfect. None of us are. Enjoy it, But I finish it all on the website, webpianoteacher.com. You can download the sheet as a member, go through all the rest of the parts, learn the whole thing. It's really fun to play. I've had a blast doing it. And I'll talk to you guys later.